Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on physics from the topic light. This will be the second part of this topic and we will cover up approximately 45 plus MCQs in this session. So watch the complete session guys, and if anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session. The question is the time taken by the sunlight to reach the surface of the earth is approximately. Your A option is 4.2 second, B is 4.8 second, C option is 8.5 minutes, and last option is 3.6 hours. So right answer is option C, that is 8.5 minutes. And one more important point, that if the examiner asks that how much time is taken by the moonlight to reach the earth's surface, then the answer will be 1.3 seconds. Okay. Next question is a mirror used in searchlight is. A option is concave mirror, B option is convex mirror, C option is plane mirror, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option A, that is concave mirror. Next question is a mirror used for the shaving is. A option is concave mirror, B is plane mirror, C option is convex mirror, and last option is none of these. So for the shaving purpose, the mirror used is concave mirror. That is option A is the right answer. Here I mentioned all important informations about the plane mirrors, convex mirror and concave mirror. So please pause the video and read it. वैसे हम इसको जो फर्स्ट पार्ट था उसमें डिस्कस कर चुके हैं, राइट? Question is, when a CD, the compact disc used in audio video system, is seen in sunlight, rainbow like colors are seen. This can be explained on the basis of the phenomena of. A option is reflection and diffraction, B is reflection and transmission, C option is transmission and diffraction, and D option is reflection, diffraction and transmission. So right answer is option A, that is reflection and diffraction. Next question is the reason for elliptical appearance of the sun and the moon near the horizon is. A option is refraction, B is optical illusion, C option is interference, and D option is their actual shape. So right answer is option A, that is refraction. Next question is the color of a star shows. A option is its distance from the earth, B option is its temperature, C option is its luminosity, D option is its distance from the sun. So right answer is option B, that is its temperature. Next question is, which of the following color combination is most stable for protection from the sunlight? A option is black above, white above, B option is white above, black below, C option is only black, and D option is only white. So right answer is option B, that is white above, black below. Next question is, the power of sunglasses is. A option is 0 diopter, B is 1 diopter, C option is 2 diopter, and D option is 4 diopter. So right answer आएगा option A, that is 0 diopter. Next question is, the speed of light will be minimum while passing through. A option is glass, B is vacuum, C option is water, and D option is air. So right answer is option A, that is glass. Let me discuss some important points about the speed of light. जो speed of light होती है, it depends upon the refractive index of the medium. जो speed of light है वो मैक्सिमम रहती है वैक्यूम में और मिनिमम रहती है डायमंड में, क्योंकि इसका रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स सबसे ज़्यादा रहता है. तो यहाँ पर कुछ मीडियम दिए हुए हैं, जैसे देख लीजिए वैक्यूम में स्पीड मैक्सिमम रहेगी, उसके बाद थोड़ी कम एयर में रहेगी, फिर उससे थोड़ी कम वाटर, देन ग्लास, और डायमंड में जो है सबसे कम रहेगी, राइट? तो अगर स्पीड और वेलोसिटी ऑफ साउंड की बात करें तो वो मिनिमम रहती है वैक्यूम में और स्पीड ऑफ लाइट रहती है मैक्सिमम इन वैक्यूम, राइट? इन दोनों पॉइंट्स में कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. ओके, लेट मी मूव फर्दर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ द कलर्स ऑफ द रेनबो इज. ए ऑप्शन इज ब्लू, ग्रीन, वायलेट, बी ऑप्शन इज वायलेट, ग्रीन, ब्लू, सी ऑप्शन इज ब्लू, येलो, ग्रीन, एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन इज ब्लू, ग्रीन एंड येलो. So right answer is option D, that is blue, green, yellow. Here I mentioned all the 7 colors which are in rainbow. तो यहाँ पर देखिए जो रेड कलर होता है वो सबसे आउटर पार्ट में रहता है और इनर पार्ट में वॉयलेट कलर होता है और सेंटर ऑफ द देखिए सेंटर में रहता है ग्रीन कलर, राइट? तो आप इसको ऐसे याद रख लीजिए जैसे रॉय जी बी, राइट? रेड, ऑरेंज, येलो, ग्रीन, ब्लू, इंडिगो एंड वॉयलेट, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कलर्स अपीयर्स इन द मिडल ऑफ द रेनबो? तो हमने प्रीवियस ही किया, जो मिडल में आता है वो है ग्रीन कलर, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी इज द राइट आंसर. Next question is, the 2 bands bordering a rainbow are. A option is blue and orange, B option is green and red, C option is yellow and green, and D option is violet and red. So right answer is option D, that is violet and red. Next question is, which of the following is not correct about a hypermetropic person? A option is, a person can see distant objects clearly, B option is the focal length of the lens is longer. C option is the image of close object is beyond the retina. And D option is concave lens is used to correct this defect. So right answer is option D, that is concave lens is not used to correct this hypometric person defect, but convex lens is used, right? Next question is short-sightedness is corrected by. A option is using convex lens, B is using concave lens, C option is using plain concave lens, and D option is using plain glass. So right answer is option B, that is using concave lens. और शॉर्ट साइटेडनेस को क्या बोलते हैं? मायोपिया, राइट? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द लीस्ट डिस्टेंस of clear vision for normal eyes. A option is 10 centimeter, B is 15 centimeter, C option is 20 centimeter, and D option is 25 centimeter. So right answer is option D, that is 25 centimeter. Next question is an astronaut sees the color of the sky. A option is blue, B is white, C option is black, and D option is red. So right answer is option C, that is black. Next question is the variables that are affected on light rays entering glass from the air are. A option is wavelength, frequency and speed, B is speed and frequency, C option is wavelength and frequency, D option is wavelength and speed. So right answer is option D, that is wavelength and speed. Next question is when light moves from one medium to another, which of the following remains unchanged? A option is intensity, B is speed, C option is wavelength, D option is frequency. So right answer is option D, that is frequency. Next question is TV signals are not available after a certain distances because A option is signals are weak, B is the antenna is weak, C option is the air absorbs the signal, and D option is the earth's surface is curved. So right answer is option D, that is the earth's surface is curved. Next question is where in man's eye is the image of an object formed? A option is cornea, B is iris, C option is pupil, and D option is retina. तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज किसी भी इमेज जो बनती है ऑब्जेक्ट की जो इमेज बनती है आई में वो बनती है रेटिना पार्ट में, दैट इज ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द इमेज फॉर्म्ड ऑन द रेटिना इज. ए ऑप्शन इज इक्वल टू द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इन्वर्टेड, बी ऑप्शन इज स्मॉलर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इरेक्ट, सी ऑप्शन इज स्मॉलर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इन्वर्टेड, डी ऑप्शन इज इक्वल टू द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इरेक्ट. तो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज स्मॉलर देन द ऑब्जेक्ट एंड इन्वर्टेड. Next question is whose function changes the focal length of the lens of the eye? A option is pupil, B is retina, C option is ciliary muscle, and D option is iris. So right answer is option D, that is iris. Next question is what is the reason why having two eyes rather than one is more useful? A option is two eyes help recognize color easily, B option is two eyes help us see in darkness or dim light easily, C option is this helps man see by mosaic vision, and D option is this makes us feel distance and depth. So right answer is option D, that is this makes us feel distance and depth. Next question is what type of lens are reading glasses made of? A option is concave lens, B is convex lens, C option is ordinary lenses, and D option is both A and B. So right answer is option B, that is convex lens. Next question is an air bubble behaves in water like. A option is concave lens, B is convex lens, C option is total internal reflection, and D option is polarization. The right answer is option D, that is polarization. Next question is in which of the following energy transformation is the process of photosynthesis carried out? A option is from light energy to chemical energy, B is from light energy to thermal energy, C option is from heat to biochemical energy, and D option is from heat to kinetic energy. So in the process of photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy. That is option A is the right answer. Next question is in what form does the signal flow in optical fiber communication? A option is light wave, B is radio wave, C option is microwave, and D option is electric current. So right answer is option A, that is in optical fiber communication जो सिग्नल क्या ट्रेवल होता है वो होता है in the form of light. That is option A is the right answer. Next question is which of the following phenomena is utilized in optical fiber? A option is interference, B is refraction, C option is total internal reflection, and D option is polarization. So right answer is option C, that is total internal reflection. Next question is which of the following statements is not correct? A option is mirage is an optical illusion produced by the total internal reflection of light. B option is concave mirror is used in the searchlight. C option is usually white or light colored clothes are considered preferable in summer rather than dark clothes. and D option is a concave mirror with a small hole by doctors to examine the ear, nose and throat of patients. So जो incorrect statement है वो है option D, that is a concave mirror with a hole, not a hole. Simply a concave mirror is used by the doctors to examine the disease of ear, nose and throat of the patient, right? Next question is, observing the sun directly during the solar eclipse causes irreparable damage to the eye. Which of the following factors is responsible for the burning of the retina? A option is heat, B is rainbow light, C option is ultraviolet rays, and D option is infrared rays. So right answer is option C, that is ultraviolet rays. Next question is, which of the following is the principal working of the endoscope used by the doctors for examining the inside of patient's stomach? A option is reflection of light, B is scattering of light, C option is refraction of light, and last option is total internal reflection. So right answer is option D, that is total internal reflection. Next question is, the color of an opaque object is due to the colors it. A option is absorb, B is refracts, C option is reflects, and D option is scatters. So right answer is option C, that is reflects. Next question is, which part of the conventional camera can the retina be compared with? A option is film, B is lens, C option is shutter, and D option is coves. The right answer is option A, that is film. Next question is, mirage is caused by? A option is interference of light, B is diffraction of light, C is polarization of light, and D option is total internal reflection of light. तो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी. हम इसको प्रीवियस भी कर चुके हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्टेटमेंट, सो आएगा दैट इज टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग नेचुरल फिनोमिना. देयर आर सम फिनोमिना और आपको बताना है कि कौन सा रहता है फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिराज. तो फर्स्ट इज टेरेस्ट्रियल हीटिंग, बी इज रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट, सी ऑप्शन इज रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट, एंड लास्ट वन इज द डाइफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट. तो आपको करेक्ट वन फिनोमिना बताने हैं जो जिसकी वजह से फॉर्म होता है मिराज. तो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज 2 and 3. इट मीन्स रिफ्लेक्शन एंड रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ द लाइट कॉजेज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ मिराज. जो मिराज होता है वो फॉर्म होता है ड्यू टू टोटल इंटरनल रिफ्लेक्शन, जो हमने प्रीवियसली स्टडी किया, विच इज अ फिनोमिना ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट व्हेन इट ट्रेवल्स फ्रॉम अ डेंसर मीडियम टू रेयर मीडियम फॉलोड बाय द रिफ्लेक्शन. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, कलर्स आर फॉर्म्ड इन कलर टेलीविजन बाय द मिक्सिंग ऑफ 3 प्राइमरी कलर्स. दीज आर. So A option is red, blue and orange, B is red, green, blue, C option is red, yellow and green, and D option is red, green and brown. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि प्राइमरी कलर्स कौन से होते हैं, राइट. सो इसका आंसर आएगा B, दैट इज रेड, ग्रीन एंड ब्लू, दैट इज RGB. देयर आर बेसिकली 3 प्राइमरी कलर मॉडल्स जो आपको याद रखने हैं, वो है RGB, रेड, ग्रीन, ब्लू. सेकेंड वन इज द CMY, दैट इज सियान, मजेंटा एंड येलो, एंड लास्ट वन इज द RYB, दैट इज रेड, येलो एंड ब्लू. आपको यहाँ पर बी को जो है दैट इज ब्लू कलर को ब्लैक से मिक्स नहीं करना है, ये ब्लू ही है यहाँ पर, ठीक है. सभी मॉडल में बी मीन्स ब्लू, राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हेन रेड, ब्लू एंड ग्रीन लाइट कवरेज एट वन प्लेस द कलर ऑफ द लाइट बिकम्स. ए ऑप्शन इज वॉयलेट, बी इज रेड, सी ऑप्शन इज येलो एंड डी ऑप्शन इज व्हाइट. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज व्हाइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ प्राइमरी कलर. सो हमने प्रीवियस डिस्कस किया कि देयर आर 3 प्राइमरी कलर मॉडल जो कि हैं RGB, CMY एंड RYB, राइट. सो आपको यहाँ पर देखना है कि कौन सा प्राइमरी कलर नहीं है. तो यहाँ पर जो मॉडल यूज दिया है इन्होंने वो है RYB, दैट इज रेड, येलो एंड ब्लू. मैंने प्रीवियस ही कहा कि ब्लू को ब्लैक से मिक्स नहीं करना है, राइट. तो राइट आंसर आएगा ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज ब्लैक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, द डिफ्यूजन ऑफ लाइट इन द एटमोस्फियर इज कॉज्ड बाय. A option is violet, B is red, C option is yellow light, and D option is white. So right answer is option B, that is red. Next question is, the minimum height of a plane mirror required to see the full image of a person is. A option is equal to the person's height, B is half the person's height, C option is 1/4 the person's height, and D option is none of the above. So right answer आएगा option B, that is half the person's height. Next question is, when an object is placed between 2 parallel mirrors, the number of images formed is. A option is 2, B is 1, C option is 6, and D option is infinite. So right answer is option D, that is infinite. Next question is, which of the following colors has the longest wavelength. A option is green, B is yellow, C option is blue, and D option is red. So right answer आएगा option D, that is red color has the longest wavelength. हेयर आई मेंशन्ड ऑल द 7 कलर्स। तो इसमें देख लीजिए, अगर हम रेड कलर की बात करें तो उसकी वेवलेंथ सबसे ज़्यादा रहती है, जो होती है 700 नैनोमीटर के बराबर। एंड जो वॉयलेट कलर है उसकी जो वेवलेंथ होती है वो सबसे कम रहती है, जो होती है 380 नैनोमीटर के इक्वल। एंड अगर हम बात करें इन टर्म्स ऑफ फ्रिक्वेंसी और एनर्जी की, तो जो रेड कलर की जो फ्रिक्वेंसी और एनर्जी रहती है वो सबसे कम रहती है, और वॉयलेट कलर की फ्रिक्वेंसी जो है सबसे ज़्यादा रहती है, राइट। अपोजिट हैं दोनों, वेवलेंथ एंड फ्रिक्वेंसी और एनर्जी। ओके, इसको अच्छे से याद रखिएगा। Next question is, the color of the light is determined by its A option is amplitude, B is wavelength, C option is intensity, and D option is speed. So right answer is option B, that is wavelength helps to define the color of light. Next question is, light has 7 colors. What is the method to separate these colors? A option is, the color can be separated by a prism. B option is, the colors can be separated by a filters. C option is, the color can be separated by plants, and D option is, the colors cannot be separated. The right answer is option A. The colors can be separated with the help of prism. That is option A is the right answer. Next question is, the fundamental reason for the brilliancy of a properly cut diamond is. A option is it is highly transparent. B is it has a very high refractive index. C option is it is very hard. And D option is it has a definite planes of deviation. So right answer is option B. That is it has a very high refractive index. Next question is, consider the following statement. First statement is, if a person observes a coin lying inside a bucket, the coin will appear nearer than its actual place. Second statement is, if a person observes a coin above the surface of water, the coin appears at comparatively greater height than its actual place. You have to find the correct one statement. The right answer is option A, that is both these statements are correct. So that's it for today guys. I hope that you love the content. Please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.